Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Laravel Tinker in Laravel application. First of all, what is Tinker? Laravel Tinker is a powerful REPL for the Laravel framework. And you have one other question, what is REPL? REPL stands for Read Eval Print Loop. In other words, you can say language shell. It's It's provide simple interactive programming interface. It's take single input from the user, execute them and return the results. So let's back to the Laravel Tinker. Basically, Laravel Tinker is a package which is developed by the Laravel and well documentation as well into the his official website, and you can refer it. And you can install Laravel Tinker using the composer if you removed previously, because Laravel add this package by default when you create new Laravel application. So let me show you. You can see here into the composer.json Laravel Tinker 2.5 installed by default in my this application. And if you want to publish the configuration file, you can publish it using the vendor publish command. Let me show you so you can get idea how you can do it. Specify artisan command, php artisan vendor and publish, and you need to specify argument provider, and you need to specify here namespace Laravel Tinker and Tinker service provider. And you can see a tinker.php file is published inside the config directory. Very minimal information and configuration in this config file, and you can config command here and you can config alias here. So you can publish it using this command. Now let me show you what is main purpose of this package. Tinker allow you to interact with your full Laravel application on command line. For example, you want to interact with your application from this terminal, you can do it using Tinker, including allocants, models and files, everything. Let me show you example. You just need to fire artisan tinker command for do that. So let's fire artisan tinker and this shell is started. Now you can do it and interact with your application with this shell. So let me give you one example. For example, I want to read the this application name from the config. Then I specify one variable and read the config using config method. And let's end with the semicolon. Let me specify config name and app name, and you can see here this is the output. Laravel package tutorial is the name of the my application. Let me show you into the env, and you can see here my app is Laravel package tutorial. Let me change this name and just make short name, and let's do it again. but it's reading the old. We need to clear the config, so let me exit and fire php artisan config clear command, and then go back, and you can see here now new name is coming lpt. You can also interact with model directly here, so let me show you. I am going to fire query from here using user model and try to get first user, and you can see here first user is appear with the data, name, email and everything. You can create user from here as well. Also you can interact with the facade here. For example, I going to create password with hash, so with encrypted, so let me specify password and I going to use hash facade, and using make method I going to specify my password, and you can see here encrypted password is generated. Now I going to check this password is true or false using check method, so let me check, and I need to specify encrypted variable here password and check, and you can see here this is true. So you can easily interact with your application from here and get instant output. Here you just need to execute one line of input, you can get instant output. You no need to run your application, you can do and play here with the Tinker. So this is a very useful package, and Laravel give by default as a gift. So enjoy this package. Thank you for watching a video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.